All right, got the OtterBox, and we're going to put our iPhone 13 in there. First of all, we got to get it open, so we're going to open her up. And I'm hoping that this is the one that I wanted. And I do believe, well, yeah, it's a little bit different, but that'll work. I don't know why that's in there. So all you have to do is just push your phone in, and you're done. It's pretty simple. This is how you do it. Whoops, that didn't work. I don't know why that's in there. So we push it in. I don't know why that's there. Just like that, I think. It does not want to go in there, does it? Come on, little otters. Otter. Oh, shit. Just turned something off. All right, that's not how it works. All right, so we got to figure this out. So what would be the best way, would you think, to get your phone in this? I would think that if I smushed it in this way, like this, so I've got the bottom in, right? Now I just got to get this side in. That side went in. Now why won't this side go in? It's like catching on something. I guess you really got to push. So this is the problem with these otters. They don't want to let you put them on. And then how do you get it off once you get it on? So it's tight here, and you see how this is bending here? So I don't want that to do that. I want to push that up, and then maybe I can just push on it. There we go. Right, now I'm in. Got my OtterBox. And that's how you do it, I guess. That was a pain in the butt, wasn't it? It's got all the things on it, so if I want to click that, it shuts it down. Tab it, open it up. And back here is your charge cord area. And I guess this just pops off. Maybe it goes this way. Yeah, that's it. So this one here, you got to push it this way, like that, to get it off. And there's your sounding things. Then you've got your little area over here. Now you got to make sure that your sound's on. Let's see if I turned off my sound. We'll just play whatever comes up. No. Okay, sound's on. Just got to make sure you don't, when you put it on, you don't click off your little sound thing there. And then let's see if it does my tap. Yep, opens up. So I got double tap to open up my phone on the back. I mean, open up my camera. Oh, screenshot. I got it doing a screenshot too. Let's see here. That opens the camera, double tap. Okay, so that's working. So that's the one thing you want to check on it. You want to check that you can do your back taps, which is the secret iPhone thing. When you put your iPhone inside this case, and that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.